Hi everyone, welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to learn about after numbers, before numbers and in between numbers. So let's start. After numbers, after means the next number. Here you can see the number line. I have taken the numbers starting from 1 to 10. So let's see what is the next number or the after number. We'll start from 1. The number that comes after 1 is 2. Number 2. After 2 is number 3. After number 3, it is number 4. Now what comes after 4? It is 5. What is the next number after 5? Yes, it is 6. Now what comes after 6? Yes, it is 7. What comes after 7? It is 8. What comes after 8? It is 9. Now what comes after 9? It is the number 10. You can see the jumps also here, how it's going on. So after means the next number. Here is a question for you all. What number comes after 1? On the number line, you can see the number 1. First identify where it is. And it jump. 1 jump. So after 1, what is the next number? Immediate number? It is 2. So what comes after 1? It is number 2. Now what comes after 5? You can recite the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. So the next number after 5 is 6. You can see on the number line also 1 jump from 5. So it is the next number. 6 is your answer. What number comes after 23? You can recite the numbers from 22, 23, 24. So after 23 the number is 24. The immediate next number after 2, 3 is 2, 4. So the answer is 24. Now let's see. What do we mean by before numbers? Before means the previous number. For example, if we consider these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's forward counting. If you are coming in the way of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. You can see the arrow marks also. Backward jump it is starting from 10. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a backward counting when we are going. It is known as before numbers. Means the previous number. The before number of 9 is 8. The before number of 7 is 6. You can remember it to be as back. Before means the back number or the previous number. Now, what number comes before 8? Before means back of 8. So, start from 8, counting 8. So, back, 1 jump backward we are going. So, it is the number 7. You can count it as 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, 8, 7. Exactly one number back of 8. The previous number is 7. What number comes before 10? So backward counting again. 10, 9, 8, 7. 10, 9. So what is the number which is before 10? 10. Backward counting 1 jump backwards. So it is 9. The number that comes before 10 is 9. What comes before 27? Again, recite in the backward counting 27, 26, 25. So just the number, the back of 27, before 27, it is 26. If you observe, first identify where 27 is. Backward counting, so it is 26, 2, 6. Now, it is in between numbers. In between means in the middle of two numbers or in the center. Like for example, if we consider The number that comes in between 2 and 4 is 3. You can see it is a middle monkey in between 2 and 4. So 3 is in between 2 and 4. One more example you can see. The number that comes in between 6 and 8 is 7. So 7 is in between 6 and 8. In between means center of two numbers, the number which is present in the middle of two numbers. What number is in between 21 and 23? On the number line, you identify where 21 is first and then where 23 is. In between, in the middle of 21 and 23, which number is there? It is 22. So the number that is in between 21 and 23 is 22. Or else one more method. See, in the question itself you can identify 21. So recite the numbers 21, 22, 23. 21, 22, 23. So 22 is in between 21 and 23. By reciting the numbers also you can write the answer directly. What number is in between 3 and 5? 3 and 5. Recite from 3. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So in between number is 4. So 3 and 5. You recite from 3, 4, 5. So directly you will get the answer as 4. What number is in between 5 and 7? Now there is no number line. You can recall the numbers from 5 onwards. 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6. What is the number in between 5 and 7? It is 6. Let's have a recap. After numbers, before numbers and in between numbers. After means exactly the next number. Before means the back number or the previous number. And in between numbers means the number which lies in the middle of two numbers. What number comes before 76? Before means exactly the back number 76. So it comes 75. 75, 75, the previous number. What number is in between 35 and 37? You can recite from here 35, 36, 37. 35, 36, 37. So in between which number we are getting? In the middle of 35 and 37, we are getting 36. So 36 is in between 35 and 37. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. Thank you everyone.